What's the meaning of Charlotte? Charlotte. Charlotte.
Charlotte. Charlotte. Charlotte is a feminine given name of French origin, meaning free woman. The name was originally derived from the male name Charles and became popular in the 18th century. It has since become a common name in many countries and cultures. Famous bearers include Charlotte Brontë, author of Jane Eyre, and Princess Charlotte, daughter of Prince William and Duchess Kate of Cambridge. The name evokes feelings of elegance, grace, and strength, and is often associated with independent and accomplished women.